I have a lot of money, but how do I trade my crypto during the bear market? Or what if crypto crashes dramatically? What am I going to do? I don't know. What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘳𝘺𝘰, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So like I said in the preview, we're always going to go through bear markets. We're always going to go through bull markets. But during the bear markets, how are you going to make money? How are you going to trade properly in order to make sure that you're continuing to make profits, you're continuing to make revenue for yourself? Well, I'm going to talk about a website called Lux Algo that allows you to then communicate with another website, okay, called TradingView, that allows you to make profits on your cryptocurrency or technically any type of stock, okay, any type of asset that can be digitally traded. So what Lux Algo is that it has a suite of different algorithms. It has a suite of different programs that allows you to then connect it to TradingView. TradingView, by the way, is a website that consolidates all the stocks, all the cryptocurrencies into one place so you can look at it and then therefore make your decisions of when you can buy it, where you can trade it. You can look at different graphs, you can look at different candles, different line graphs, many different mechanisms like that. And in TradingView, there's a program called PineScript. PineScript is a way that you can write code that gives you notifications to your cell phone, to your email, to your smartphone or whatever, that says, okay, now you should trade this stock. Now you should sell this stock. You can customize your when these trade signals and when these buy signals happen. But it's kind of complicated and it's kind of difficult to do. So that's why Lux Algo came out with its ability to then connect it to your trading view, and then it will automatically send you notifications of when you can trade, when you can buy, and when you can sell it. In fact, let's look at the Lux Algo app right now, and we can talk about it. It's really cool. As you can see, ooh, look at all this Bitcoin, all these cryptocurrencies. So Lux Algo, yes, like I said, is very heavily influenced into cryptocurrency right now. You can trade other stocks, but it's heavily focused onto cryptocurrency. As you can see right here, it says the solution for turning confusion into insight. We can scroll some more. It says identify institutional volume levels. You can access advanced signals and overlays, institutional volume estimations, and 20 plus more premium features. It's a top rated indicators built from community feedback. Yes. So it gets information from the community. It decides when you should do these trades and buys, and then it pushes out this information to more of the community, right? So it takes the most intelligent people from the community, looks at it, says, okay, this one is good, that one is bad, and then it decides to then push this out to the rest of the wider community. As we scroll down longer, we can see it has powerful alerts and optimizations. Like I said earlier, get thousands of automated alerts plus active product updates to further optimize your analysis, all from within our 100,000 plus member community. Okay, so it's trusted by over 50,000 users. They already have 50,000 users. So why am I telling you to do this? That's because I have a special connection with Lux Algo. In fact, you can quickly become a member down there. Look at my description of this video, and in all my videos, actually, look at the description. I have a special link that connects you to Lux Algo so you can automatically build your profile, so it can make it much more easier for you. Yes, I do get a little bit of kickback, but the kickback is about 1%, 2%. The real reason why I'm telling you to do this is because it actually is going to help you during the bear run, the bear market. The bear market is going to happen. Well, technically, it's happening right now, kind of, sort of, and it's going to then go into full swing, a full swing downturn, I should say, at the beginning of 2026 or the end of 2025. Okay, right after the bull market happens at the end of 2025. Okay, so we scroll down a little bit longer. It says choose your plan. The plans are very cheap, but the smallest plan right now is only $67. Very cheap price. You can see right here at frequently asked questions is talks about how does it work, what markets can I use with it, can I win every trade using this? Of course not, you can't. Nothing is guaranteed, but it helps you increase your trading success probability dramatically. Let's say that you've only had about 30% of your trades be profitable. With Lux Algo, that's going to change your 30% to maybe 70%, 80%, 90%. Okay. So how does it work on MetaTrader 4-5? Don't really worry about MetaTrader 4-5. Although if you want to look into it, get into it. I would just say get into TradingView itself. And then it says, can I get a discount code? Yes. So right here, you can see Yes, we have a current code Lux30. We can save 30% on any plan. So in addition to clicking my link that's in the bio down there, I want you to also click this one that says Lux30, where you get 30% off of all the plans. Now, keep in mind, this plan is only for a limited time, so try to get into Lux Algo as quickly as possible. Click my link, and then after you click my link, then do this Lux30 coupon code in there, and then you'll get all the benefits. Now, I'm telling you this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Let's get this money.